Hey, Joachim here, and a quick video for you. This is gonna be the easiest song to play on guitar. Super simple, 2 chords and an easy strumming pattern. So before we continue, please subscribe and write in the comments I subscribed and I will reply back to you. Also, please stay to the end of this video because I want to show you a really cool trick to help you to play and learn guitar chords faster and help you to make it easier for you to do chord changes. Okay, it's a really cool trick. I'll show you in the end. All right, so let's get into it. So first of all, the 2 chords we have one is E minor. So you can do it like this with your first, second finger, or I like to do my second and third finger, and I go like that. You see there? So 1, 2, there. Okay, simple. Just those 2. So it's on the 2nd fret, and it's on the 5th string and the 4th string. E minor, that's it. Okay, and then the 2nd chord, what you do is you put your first finger up. So your first finger goes up to the 6th string, and then your 3rd finger, then your 3rd finger goes down on the 3rd string. So kind of like they go in the opposite direction there. See that? I'm not going to tell you what this is, like a weird chord. We generally never use this chord, so don't worry about the chord. You're probably not going to use it in any other songs than this one. So that's the 2nd chord. So E minor, and then finger up, finger down. This 2nd chord. See that? So up, down. Okay, so practice those 2 chords a few times. Okay. Next, strumming pattern. So what you do is you go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah? Show that again. That's for you start with your E minor and you go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so pause the video here, practice that a few times. Then you go on to your 2nd chord, and then this one is a bit different pattern. You go down, up, 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 down, up. So it goes down. So you go down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. Yeah. So you start with your E minor. So I'll show you that 2nd pattern again. Down, up, 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 down, up. One more time. Down, up, 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 down, up. Okay? So now what you do is just try to get familiar with that rhythm and get comfortable with that rhythm, okay? So okay, now if you find that rhythm a bit difficult, what you can do is you can do it simple. So you can go just all down strums, and then you go change the chord. Try that at first. Just get comfortable with doing the chord changes first. And then once you get comfortable with that, then you can go on to trying that rhythm again. Okay, so once again, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, cool. Hope that helps. Now, let me show you this really cool trick that will help you with your chords as promised. So what you do is you pick your chord, strum it, you take your finger off, you tap the guitar, go back. You do that. In the beginning it's gonna be slow, so you're gonna go and then go and then go 1, 2, that's fine. Do that for every day 50 times. See? And if you do that, you're gonna build up speed. You're gonna get faster and faster doing this. Okay? So don't just go strum and then like this. That's too easy. You want to take your finger all the way off, put it down here, and then go back and strum. Okay? That's gonna build on your muscle memory so that you learn to play the chord quickly. Okay? And then you do that with the other chord as well. Tap. Okay? 50 times every day. Okay? Repetition is key here. That's how you get good with chord changes. I know as a beginner, chord changes are difficult. So this is a shortcut that will help you learn faster. Alright? So do that 50 times for the E minor, 50 times for the other funny weird chord. Okay. So that's it. If you have any song requests, like any song you want me to cover in my future videos, just put it in the comments, and then I'll try to make a video of those. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.